Hi everyone, and welcome to this preview interview with Mohseen Mohemmed, who is the Protection and Control Engineering Manager at SSEN in the UK. Welcome, Mohseen, to the channel. It's great to have you here.
Thank you.
So, Mohseen, you're going to be speaking at our 61850 Week 2021 event in October, and the subject that you're going to be focusing on is the process bus, which is a very hot topic right now. You'll be looking at how you're driving system design, specification, installation, and operation through the innovations in multi-vendor interoperability. So it'd be great to get a review of how the past year has been for you in terms of this project. So how has the past year impacted your 61850 activity?
Our plans have to be moved because of the COVID. We had the FATs being planned and there was something new came out from there, which we didn't realize was during FAT, we could do virtual FATs. So that was good as well, in a sense, avoids unnecessary travels and those ones. So that was a good side from these. But most of the time we had been on actual work we're doing okay. Actual FAT of the panel, which need to be done at the contractor side, that were delayed because of COVID again, travel restrictions, and even they were not able to accommodate more than 2 people at a site. So that was delayed. On top of that one, our outages, which need to be booked pre in advance, so that has moved again. So that's a bit delay in overall project because of these ones. But I think in overall, we are making progress to cover up that one now. So that's good.
Right. Okay. So some delays, but still going in the right direction. Yeah. Great. Okay. So what would you say, Mohseen, is the most important 61850 issue that your group are focused on right now? What is it you're working hard to resolve or to problem solve around?
Right. So it's not the first one which you have done just now. So this is Synaptech, which one we are using is one of those, the 5-6 installations which we have done. So there are 2 more to be commissioned soon. And once we have commissioned those ones, then we'll be putting them into a trial mode. And we decided to do it for 2 winter periods to see how they'll be performing, and then we'll be comparing with what we have from conventional networks and then see how they will be reacting. They will be great if there is a fault, we compare, but again, at transmission ones, we don't want to have fault, but again, if you don't have fault, then you can't compare. So let's see, that's why we have different applications we've been using and different mixture of relays being used and IDs different used to see which one is performing better, and then it will help us to drive our business as usual in future.
Okay. What was the key driver for you moving towards this architecture, this process bus architecture? What is it you're hoping to achieve?
It's from our higher management as well that we want to go for the LEO-T2, under the LEO-T2 period, we want to do not just the things which we have, but we want to do it innovatively, smartly. And also it's a driver that to have this net zero for us 2050 or even before, if we can try to achieve those ones. So these actions and these process bus and digital substations is those more taking into the direction, as well as we have this data driven, and we want to be a data driven company.
What does that mean? That's I think a big buzzword for everyone at the moment, to be data driven. What does that mean in practice for your group?
What we mean by those ones, that we should be able to, once we have this process bus and also all the digital systems working, we will be able to get more data, and we should be able to get more, not the maintenance of all the assets can be done in a timely manner. And also it will be prompting before the actual fault happens. So if you're monitoring them more regularly, we should be able to do those ones. So that's where the data-driven means for us.
And what will you be sharing with us at the IC 61850 Week conference, Mohseen?
So there have been more challenges, especially with these and also with other installations which we had. So we had practical issues of at one installation. It was a very simple fiber connections, but this guy didn't read the manual, did the wrong connections, and then the whole project need to be stopped there, and then you have to resend those objects back. So then there's a learning from there that should be following the instructions, and also for the manufacturer that they should be able to make it probably more robust connection. Also, when we are looking from the practical sharing about how the relays behaved and how they were, difficulty in configuring those ones because of the standards are not in place for them. We don't have a standard for optical CTs, so we have to get a closer one as much as we can. So these were the challenges which we had practically, and that will be I'll be sharing those ones.
Okay. Oh, that's actually very generous of you, Mohseen, to share the challenges you've faced and the lessons you've learned. It will really help fellow utilities be able to fast track their own implementation by avoiding some of those pitfalls that you've had to face. So thank you for agreeing to do that. And also, hopefully this will actually fast track your own implementation going forward now as well, now that you've seen some of the challenges that are possible with this implementation.
Thank you.
All right. Well, we look forward to hearing more details about your project at the IEC 61850 Week Conference in October. That's the 18th to the 22nd of October. Hopefully in Gothenburg, Sweden, but most definitely via the Swapcard virtual event platform. Thanks very much, Mohseen. You have a great day. We'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.